last set on this one, make it count. 8, good, 2 more, 2 more, 2 more. Come on. 1 more, come on. 1 more. Go, 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 go. Good, together, together, together. Open your hands, open your hands, open your hands. Open them up, open them up, open them up. Hold it right there. Slow, 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 slow. Good job. You got it. All right. Awesome, awesome. Again, nothing too crazy heavy right now. Best time to do these types of machines are actually right before the show and right after the show, because now you're gonna be able to control your movement and you're not gonna be using heavy, crazy spree weights anyways. Those are great for the off season, but right now, using machines are a great way to be able to get a lot of contraction, a lot of mind-muscle connection without the risk of injury. Now, again, it's not foolproof, but it does cut down the risk quite considerably.